Hey guys, what's happening? How to find hidden discount codes on Temu and Shein. First of all, check the official website or apps. Both Temu and Shein regularly hide exclusive coupons on their apps. You can go ahead and click me at the bottom right. Okay, you can find the coupons section right here. Make sure to find the coupons or promotions section. First time users casually get extra discounts for the first time. Okay, next, the hidden discounts on Temu or Shein found you can find it if you abandoned your cart. I add items to your cart. Okay, like this product. Okay, and then leave without purchasing. Many times, both platforms will send you a comeback discount via email within 24 to 48 hours to entice you to complete the order. Okay, and next, spin the wheel. Spin the wheel in games. So on Shein, for example, check out the lucky draw or free trial, whatever that might be, section for mystery discounts. Temu often runs spin to win events where you can score hidden coupons. You can find it on you at the bottom right here, and you're gonna be able to see something like let me go ahead and click the settings go at the top, for example. Not here, yeah, excuse me. You can find right here the coupons and offers. You're gonna be able to access the, basically, if they offer like a game or something in order to play that game. You're gonna be able to find it most likely after you log in using your account. Okay. Next, the affiliate and referral codes. Search for influencer codes on social platforms like Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Okay, you can just type right here Shein code. Okay, or you can use hashtags like Shein discount or Temu coupon. Okay, for up-to-date deals. Okay, and lastly, you can basically leverage the extensions. You can use extensions like Honey, Rakuten, or Capital One Shopping to auto apply hidden promo codes at checkout. You could just type right here Honey, just to put the face in the name, or Rakuten, right? Or Capital One Shopping to auto apply hidden promos and codes. And lastly, of course, the special event in flash sales. Keep an eye on major sales like Shein's anniversary or Temu's mega sale and seasonal promos. Hidden discounts often pop up during these times. Pro tip, use multiple coupons by stacking free shipping offers with discount codes for even bigger savings. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next time.